In this video, I'll show you how to track your habits with Notion. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is open Notion and we're gonna go to the left right here where it says templates. We're gonna click here and then Notion is gonna show us so many different templates that are free and that we can use to track our habits or do so many other things. Of course, you can create your own workspace to track your habits, but that's honestly gonna take you longer and you can really take advantage of some of the templates that Notion has. So what we're gonna do is click right here on the right on the search bar and we're gonna type in habit tracker. Now Notion is gonna show us so many different options and honestly templates that were either made by a creator or by Notion. So you can pick whichever you like. I'm just gonna show you a really basic one that I really like and that you can easily customize and make your own. So this is a template that I like, but of course feel free to choose whichever template you want. The process of editing and customizing it is going to be pretty much the same for all of them. So I just clicked on the template and I'm going to click on add. It's going to take a little bit until the template is added into your workspace. Once your template is done, at the bottom is going to show you your template is ready. So you're going to click on see template. Okay, so this is the template that Notion gives us. Now all we have to do is play around it, add colors, and just make it our own. What I really like about this template is that it has a calendar view. So you can really see which habits you're tracking and what day you're on. So let's say I want to change the habits for today. So what I would do is click on that day and then I'm going to go to whichever habit I want to edit. So let's say the gym, and then I'm going to click rename and add whichever habit I want to track. So let's say running. I'm going to click enter. And then if you want to change the emoji, all you have to do is click on icon and then find an emoji that relates to that habit. And you can do that for every single habit that this template gives you. And you can even add a new one by clicking on add a property. I'm going to close this out and I'm going to go back to the habit tracker, and you can even see your progress for the week. So it's going to show you what habits you did or did not accomplish for that week. And you can see a backend. So you can see every single day. In case you like that view better instead of the calendar, you can click right here and then you can just check off whichever habit you accomplish for that specific date. Now, of course, if you want to make it your own, you can just change the little icon that's here and you can add your own emoji. Then you can add a cover. So you can click add a cover and then change cover if you want something different or something that's going to motivate you more. You can even upload like your favorite quote or picture, and then you can just play around with this template and see what you like best. And that's how easy you can track your habits using Notion. Hope that helps.